Xin chào, hi everyone. I just finished this bracelet in about 4 to 5 hours and I'm so happy to share with you how to make this bracelet from all steps. It is called roller gold size stone, the stone of love. First, we will start with wrapping the stone. Make a temporary knot to pin and keep the cross. It is a very basic skill for all crystal macrame maker. I have a leather pillow that I can pin like a video. I would recommend you to use something that you can pin and keep the cross secure. For example, a hard foam pillow so that we can work easily with every knot. Make 4 temporary knots and pin to keep the cross. Here is another angle I record so you can see the whole project I'm working on. Take the 140 centimeter cross to start making the wrapping pattern. The width of the knot should be long enough to wrap around the stone, but don't make it too big or it will cover too much the stone. We just make it enough. You will have to make every knot with the same width until the length is enough to wrap around the stone. The ending knot should be in the same size with the beginning knot. You will know why it is in the following step. Take out 4 temporary knots. Make the closing knot. The right side of the stone and the 4 cross side should be in the same side like in the video. You will see that the stone is not yet tightly wrapped, so you need to adjust a little bit on both sides and pull the 2 closing knots on both sides tightly. Take 2 cords on top and tie, and 1 cord on the bottom to secure, and cut off the excess string. Now we will take more cords to make the pattern running around the stone. These 2 pieces of cords will be used to tie the bracelet around, so be sure to create a knot in the middle. Now do the same until the knot length is almost half on each side. Okay, so this part I made a little bit too long, so I will undo some knots. Now use a needle to put these 3 pieces of cross in the middle. Okay, here if you see the distance between your 2 knots is close together, then add the white string. But for mine, I see the 2 knots are still too far apart, so I will add another 80 centimeter strings. We will put the right cord in. The knot will be a little different. And now we will do the same for both sides. You make each side is about 5 to 6 centimeters long, and I'll see you in the next part. I have done both sides. Now I will show you the smaller part. Do 3-string braiding until it is 5.5 centimeters. Cut and burn the excess. Okay, so this part is the part that I look forward the most every time I make a bracelet, cutting and burning the excess quartz. Now our bracelet is almost 90% done. I'm so happy. Make the sliding knot, then we will be done. Tomorrow I will bring this bracelet to my store and hope some lovely customer will buy it. Thank you for watching my video. Please give me a like and subscribe to the channel so I will have more motivation to make more videos. Goodbye and always be positive.